Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing essentials: a browser, stable internet, and a recovery email or phone. Once ready, open your browser and navigate to the Google account sign-up page. You enter your name, pick a username, and create a password. Choose something unique and long because it protects all Google services. Make sure to note your chosen username. If it's unavailable, try simple variations. After filling those first fields, click Next to move into the verification steps. Once on the verification screen, provide a recovery phone or email. This helps you regain access if you forget your password. Next, enter your birth date and gender. Google uses these for age-appropriate settings and safety. When Google sends a verification code by SMS or email, copy it exactly and paste or type it into the code field. This confirms you control the recovery contact. After verification, review privacy options and click Next to configure personal. To finish, read and accept Google's terms and privacy settings. This activates your account. Then set optional items like a profile photo and personalization options to make your account ready for Gmail, Drive, and more. Once you click Create Account, Google may sign you in automatically. Verify by opening Gmail or account. Google.com. If you run into problems, make sure your verification code isn't in spam or blocked. Try a different recovery contact, clear browser cache, or retry in an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.